Hello student, today we are going to discuss some examples of subgroup and cyclic group. Okay, before that, but one correction is in previous lecture. So in previous lecture, this theorem is seen, but only here one correction is here not if and only if condition. Okay, here only if condition. Okay, means HK is subgroup of G if HK equal to KH, where H and K are two subgroup of G. Okay, here we given that if and only part, but here not if and only part, here only condition product of two subgroup is subgroup. Okay, if HK equal to KH. Okay, and here also in lastly this conversely part is not. Okay, so here correction correct here HK is subgroup of G if, okay, only if HK equal to KH, where H and K are two subgroup of G. Okay, this this statement is wrong. Here correction here if and only part. Okay, so today we will discuss some examples. First example first. Let G be a cyclic group of order 12. Let G be a cyclic group of order 12. Let G be a cyclic group of order 12 and A be a generator of G. Then find other generators of G. Other generators of G. Okay, how to find other generators of G? Okay, here given that group of order 12. Okay, G is cyclic group of order 12. Here given that G is group with any binary operation, but their order is 12. Okay, and which is this group is cyclic group, means G has cyclic group, and given that A is generator of G, and to find other generators of G means to find any element of other generators. To here to use the remark. Okay, we use remark if A is generator of G, then A raised to R is generator of G if and only if n GCD of n and R equal to 1. Here n means order of G and R means power of A. Okay, so using this remark, so find these other generators. Solution: let G be a cyclic group. Okay, let G be a cyclic group and order of G equal to 12. Okay, that is G is generated by A, G cyclic group, and A is generated by A is generator of G, means G is generated by A. Okay, and order of G equal to 12. Okay, so we know that. Okay, we know that which is equal to order of generated by A. Okay, we know that. What we know that? We know that A raised to R is generator of G. Okay, A raised to R is generator of G if R is relatively prime to n. Okay, if R is relatively prime to n, that is GCD of R and n equal to 1. So here n means order of G. Okay, where n equal to order of G. Okay, here n equal to 12. Okay, and to find R such that which is relatively prime to n, So the integers, therefore the only integers are which are relatively prime to 12 are the integers are equal to 1 and 12 have GCD 1. Okay, 2 3 4 have GCD not equal to 1. Okay, then 5. Okay, then 7, then 11. These are only four integers such that their GCD is equal to 1. Okay, means the integers are equal to 1 5 7 11 are the relatively prime to 12. Okay, relatively prime to 12. Therefore a raised to 5, a raised to 7 and a raised to 11. Okay, a raised to r is generator of G, equivalently r is relatively prime to L. Okay, therefore a raised to 1 means a raised to 5, a raised to 7, a raised to 11 are generators of G. Okay, this is very simple example. Then next example, find all generators of Z18. Okay, also find subgroup of Z18 and draw the subgroup diagram of Z18 and draw the subgroup diagram of Z18. Okay, this is very simple example. Okay, so in this type example also seen in previous lecture. So solution of this example, let Z18 what element containing in Z18? 0 to 17. Okay, 0 1 2 3 up to 4 so on 16 and 17, which are 18 elements contain. Okay, so we observe that Z18 is clearly generated by 1. Okay, we observe that, or clearly, so we observe that Z18 is generated by 1 clearly. Okay, this must be generated by 1, therefore Z18 is cyclic group. Okay, that is 1 is generator of Z18. Okay, that is 1 is generator of Z18. Okay, to find other generators. Okay, this is one generator. To find other generators, the other generators of, firstly to find generators of Z18. Okay, means to find relatively prime to Z18, which are integer relatively prime to Z18. Okay, so other generators of Z18, which are other generators of Z18 are the number, which are relatively prime to 18. Okay, means using again this result. Okay, this result is used for with respect to multiplication, but here Z18 is grouped with respect to addition. Then use the result n into a, means r into a. Okay, so here only Z18 which contain element this of the form. Okay, and Z18 is clearly generated by a 1. Okay, So Z18 is cyclic group, means one is generator. So then other generators to find, here only to find integer which are relatively prime to 18. Okay, so therefore which are relatively prime to 18 means generator of Z18 are, generators of Z18 are which integers which are relatively prime to 18. Okay, 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 5 is 5 and 18 GCD is equal to 1. 2, 3, 4 have not GCD, not equal to 1. Okay, then 5, 6 and 18 has GCD not equal to 1. Then 7, okay, 7 and 18 have GCD 1. Then 8, 9, 10 not, then 11, then 13, then 15 not 15, 15 and 18 has GCD 3. Okay, so 15 not, then 16 not, then 17. These are only integers of these are generators of Z18 because this element and 18 has GCD 1. Okay, so if we find generators, then find the number which are relatively prime to n or given number. Okay, Zn. So and we find to subgroup, then we used to find their divisors. Okay, to find subgroup. So subgroup of then generators of Z18 are 1, 5, 7, 11, 39, 17. Now subgroup of Z18 are, now subgroup of Z18, subgroup of Z18 are, those are those integer which are which is divisor of Z18. Okay, those Z18 subgroup of Z18. Okay, subgroup of Z18 are those subgroup of Z18 are generated by divisors. Okay, subgroup of Z18 are those 18 are Z18 are which are here to find. Okay, subgroup of Z18 means to find the divisors of. Okay, those subgroup those subgroup of Z18 are generated by divisors. Okay, are generated by divisors. Okay, generated by divisors. Okay, generated by divisors of 18. Therefore divisors of 18 are here 1 is divisor, then 2, 3, 4 is not divisor of Z18, then 6, then 9, and lastly 18. Okay, these are only divisors of Z18. So generated by this element, find the number which are generated by these divisors. Okay, so subgroup of generated by this element is cyclic subgroup. Okay, therefore generated by 1 means 0, 1, n into a. Okay, 1, 2 up to so on 17. These are only Z18 itself because one is generator of Z18. So then next generated by 2. Okay, generated by 2 is set is first 0, then 2. Okay, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, then other element is 18, but 18 is congruent to 0 modulo 18. Then next element is 20. 20 is congruent to 2 module, means these elements are again repeated and repeated. So and order of generated by 2 is 18 divided by 2 equal to 9, means order of G divided by order of H or divisor this. Okay, these are only 9 elements. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, then generated by 3 elements. Okay, these elements which are firstly 0 into 3 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 15, and lastly element is 3 into 6 18, but 18 is congruent to 0 modulo 3. There again 0 value is repeated. Again is 21 with 3, which is congruent to 3 modulo 18. Okay, then this value are again repeated, so which are contain only these 3 and 6 element. Okay, order of 3 is, which is 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. Okay, then next element is generated by 6, which are only contain 3 elements 0, 6 and 12. Okay, so order of 6 equal to 18 divided by 6 equal to 3, and lastly element is then 9 is generated by 9 set is 0 and 9 only. Okay, these elements are again repeated, so continuously process only which contain 2 different elements. So order of generated by 9 equal to 18 by 9 equal to 2, and lastly element is 18, which contains only singleton 0 element. Okay, so order of 18 is 1. Okay, 18 divided by 18 equal to 1. This is so here generated by to find again this is are all subgroup of 18. Okay, these are all cyclic subgroup of 18. So thus the subgroup, therefore thus the subgroup are generated by 1, generated by 2, generated by 3, generated by 6, generated by 9, and generated by singleton 0 or 18. Okay, 18 here not, here only singleton 0. Okay, 18 is congruent to singleton 0. Okay, 0 or 18. Okay, because 18 is not contained in this here, which is only generated by singleton 0. 0 is divisor of so here also divisors of 18 means which is congruent to 0 model. Okay, so 9 and singleton 0. Okay, these are only subgroup of cyclic subgroup of Z18. Okay, then to find the subgroup diagram, therefore how to find subgroup diagram? The subgroup diagram is, to find subgroup diagram, firstly whole set, then their subset, then their subset, then their subset. Okay, so firstly is Z18. Okay, Z18 is group which is generated by 1. This is whole set. Okay, then their subgroup which are which contains means less than 1 order of generated by 1 means order of here 1 2 and which is generated by 3. Okay, these are then 2 subgroup and their subgroup. Okay, their subgroup is again Z6. Z6 is a subgroup of subset of 2 and Z6 is subset of also generated by 3. Okay, means 0, 6 and 12. This is subset of generated by 3 and this is subset of also generated by 2. Okay, then 0 and 9 is subset of generated by which is generated by 3. Okay, generated by 9, this means 0 and 9 which contains subset of generated by 3. Okay, then singleton 0. Okay, singleton 0 is subset of this element. This is subset of all sets, means generated by 2 1 2 3 6 and 9. Okay, which is generated by 0. Okay, this is subgroup diagram. How to find subgroup diagram? Here uh, generated by 0 is subgroup of 9, or subset of generated by 9 and subset of generated by 6. Okay, generated by 9 is only subset of generated by 3. Then generated by 6, generated by 6 is a subset of generated by 3 and 2. Okay, which these elements are subset which also contain generated by 2 and 3. So which are generated subset of 3, which are subset of 2. Then generated by 2 is subset of 18 and generated by 3 is subset of 18, and these are both different element. Okay, different set. So this is subgroup diagram of ZET. So next example, find all generators of Z7. Okay, also find the cyclic subgroup of Z7. Also find the cyclic subgroup of Z7 and draw the subgroup diagram. Okay, solve in homework in same way. Okay, Z7 has only two divisors, 1 and 7. Draw the subgroup diagram. Here only subgroup diagram is Z7. Subgroup diagram of Z7 is only which has generated only two divisors, 1 and 0 or 7. Okay, 1 and 0 or 7. Okay, and generated by 1, which is 1 is generated by means Z7 itself, and there is subset is again singleton 0. Okay, this is subgroup diagram. And then find generators means which are relatively prime to 7, means 1 to 6. 1 to 6, 7 is prime. So 1 to 6 all elements are relatively prime to 7, means 1 to 6 are generator. And cyclic subgroup only generated by Z7 and singleton 0 are cyclic subgroup. Okay, so find this in home. Then next example, find all generators of Z15. Find all generator of Z25. Also find the cyclic subgroup of Z25 and draw the subgroup diagram. Okay, draw the subgroup diagram. Okay, generators of Z25 are which are relatively prime to 25. Which elements relatively prime to 25? So 1 find. So choose find generators are 1 2 3, then 4 5 and 25. GCD is 5, so 5 is not contained here. Then 6 7 8 9 10 is not here. Then 11 12 13 14 15 is not. 16 17 18 19 20 is not. 21 21 22 23 and 24. Which element those? 0 5 10 15 20 this element remaining all are relative prime to Z25. Okay, so generators of Z25 only without 5, 10, 11, 15 and 20. Okay, so then cyclic subgroup of Z25. Okay, to find their divisors of 25 are 0, 5, 10, 0, 5 and 25. These only three divisors of 25. Okay, 0, 1, 5 and 25, only 4. So then find their subgroup and subgroup diagram of Z25 which is generated by 1. Okay, then their subgroup is which has order less than only 25 but which is largest subset of this 25 which is generated by 5. Okay, which is generated by 5, and then lastly which is generated by singleton 0 or which is generated by singleton 0 or 25. Okay, 25 is not is content, so 0. 25 is congruent to 0 modulo 25. This is subgroup diagram of this element. So this is also solved in home. We try to solve. Then next example, find the numbers of generators of ZPQ where P and Q are primes. Okay, to find generators of ZPQ, which implies that to find the elements which are relatively prime to P and Q. But here let P and Q be primes, be any two primes for ZP. Which elements contain ZP? Which are 0, 1, 2 up to P minus 1. Okay, the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on P minus 1 are relatively prime to P. Okay, the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to P minus 1 are relatively prime to P. Why? Which is relatively prime to? Because P is prime number. Okay, P is prime number. P has only divisors 1 and P itself. Therefore, these all elements which is relatively prime to P. Okay, and therefore these all elements are generators of ZP. Okay, therefore these are the generators of ZP. Okay, and therefore the total number of generators, the total number of generators of ZP is P minus 1. Okay, and similarly for Q. Okay, similarly the total number of generators of ZQ is Q minus 1 since Q is prime. Okay, and therefore or but ZPQ equal to ZP cross ZQ. Okay, and therefore the number of generators of ZPQ are P minus 1 into q minus 1 means product of these two elements. Okay, so find the number of generators of ZPQR. The number of generators of ZPQR p minus 1 into q minus 1. This is answer. Okay, so here subgroup chapter is completed. So tomorrow we will discuss next chapter, permutation. Okay.